Hi guys, I am back here Ali again for a new video. Today in this video I will try to teach you how to import the date and time in your Python code. It is very important because in many of your assignment or in many of your coding you want to have the date and time in your program. So we are going to have how to take the date and time in the program. So I will go to the PyCharm IDE where we would like to show you how to get it. Now first of all, one thing, you have to import a library that is import date time. This is the library you have to import before you want to get the date and time. Now after writing this, I will tell you later what actual libraries are, but for the time being you have to know this line. Now we will take a variable. I am taking time1 here equal to, again taking the library name date time dot. Now since we want to take a current date and time, we will use the method date time now with the parenthesis having blank. Now we have stored the value in time1. Now if we want to take the year, I would taking another variable which is year. Now from time1 we would take another method strf time. Now what we want to get is year. So here you have to write under parenthesis and double quotation the sign of percentile and then write y. This is the method, and now print our variable in which we have to store the year. So now we will run this code. Sorry, we have to run another script file. It is 177. Oh, we have error. What is this? Okay, there is a mistake. Now I have to write down date time dot now. Now I will run this code. Here you can see we have got the year since it is 2020. Similarly, I will show how to get the month and date. So I will copy this code here. Now I will change the variable in front of you. I will take here month, and here you have to change small m. Now here I would do date, and here I will do d, which is in small case. Now running, sorry, I have to change the variable name here also, so I will write month, and here I will write date. Now running this, you can see we have got the date as well as month and as well as year. So now I want to show it in a single line. For this we have to do one thing, that is we have got a new variable L is equal to time1 dot strf time. Now since we have to want to show in a single line, so we will write like that, percentile sign d separated by semicolon. Now again m separated by semicolon, and now we would like to run the year. Now we will print this. So you will see the result. Here you have seen that it is showing the correct date, which is 17 March and 20. Now one more thing I would like to show, that is here if you write instead of m b in a small case, you will have the difference like this. It is showing March instead of 3. And also one more thing I would like to show, if you write capital B here, then there is again a difference. It will show March here. this was the basic of the date and time importing in Python. Now one more thing I want to show with the date and time is how to get the time. So I will take one another variable which is my time equal to, now the variable in which our current time and date is stored, dot strf time, and then I am taking all of the time, which means hour, minute and second, in a single line. So I will not print it on the separate line. I will write percentage h separated by semicolon, now percentage, and then write m semicolon percentage and then s. Here you will notice that I am taking all of them in the uppercase or capital letter because it will show an error if I write in small letter. So you have to remember this. While importing the time, you have to show all the letters in the capital letters. So now printing this. Now it has shown that time is also in minutes, second as well as hour. So it was all from today's video that we wanted to show you how you can import date as well as current time in Python. Now I am going to conclude this video. Hope that you guys have liked our video. Hope you guys have liked our video. And inshallah in the next video I will come back again with more such concept and detail. Like and share my videos, subscribe my channel which is Tech Park. Hope you have liked this video and share my video as well. So this is all from my side. Bye bye, thank you.